You may be thinking about starting your own recruiting and staffing business, and maybe you're a little bit fearful doing this alone, not having a coach, mentorship, systems, or processes in place to not only find the right candidates, but most importantly, to find clients consistently month over month. Week in and week out, I do a number of consultation calls with people who are looking to make the leap into entrepreneurship or those who actually own recruiting companies and are struggling with getting new sales. And there's typically three common challenges that I encounter with everybody. Number one, looking to find the right targeted candidates for their niche. Number two would be, how do I scale my recruiting company? How do I find the right sourcers, recruiters, and sales executives most efficiently and most effectively? And the third one, the most common one that I always see is, how do I find clients? People are struggling to get recruiting clients in today's economy. About a year ago, with the advice of one of my members, I started a recruiting training site on the platform School. And as of today, we are past 1,500 members. So I invite you to join our membership group. We have a sense of community. I'm going to be coaching members and mentoring members once a week, which you can be part of. And let me jump into my computer and show you everything you'll get for under $100. Now, just think about that, guys. The average placement fee that most recruiters earn is anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000, depending on their niche and skill set. If you are able to come into a community, get outreach scripts, understand what niches are the best niches to get into, direct mail systems, watching a library full of videos of objection handling, how to navigate decision makers from start to closure. And we're even going to provide our custom LinkedIn templates that will help you get 3 to 5 client appointments week in and week out. So let me go ahead and give you a preview of what it looks like, and you'll have the opportunity to come into our community using the link below. Now, for a limited time, we are offering a membership with our recruiting training community of just $99. This is only going to be up until the first 100 members that come into our program. After that, the price will increase to $197 a month. So act now, act fast. For only $99 lifetime a month, you can secure your spot right now and get everything you would need to make your first placement, if not multiple placements, with your new recruiting business. So here's a quick preview of the training site that you can be part of as soon as today, that we just got done completing a lot of content back here that's brand new. I'm really excited about it. And I felt like it was really important to really take the curtain back and give you guys a lot of information that's going to help you get your first placement, hopefully make that $10,000, $15,000 or $20,000 and beyond, which is going to make you feel really good about your decision of starting your own recruiting business. All right. So that's why the title here is Grow a $20,000 a Month Recruiting Business in 120 days or less. And of course, you can do this while still maintaining your full-time job, which a lot of our members do. So number one, you're going to get our sales outreach scripts. These are scripts that are tried and tested over the past 3 years to get cold prospects, to get clients at scale, and to elicit responses from targeted hiring managers. You're also going to get our LinkedIn templates that will help you get at least 3 to 5 appointments a week. We have a direct hire agreement back here. And if you guys need any other type of agreements, you can just DM me and let me know. I'd be happy to give them to you. For those of you that just aren't quite sure what niche or industry to get into, our niche workshop is going to help you make that decision. We've got about 7 to 8 videos that you can watch with some recommended industries that are on fire right now. And there's plenty of opportunity for people to jump into that space to start their recruiting business. The direct mail bomb system, I absolutely love. It's so underutilized. So many recruiters forget about direct mail. They think it won't work. I have news for you, it will work. And we give you a 10-week system and process of follow-up messages after the piece of mail goes out. We even show you what the postcard should look like. Big fan of the direct mail bomb system, and you'll have access to that by joining the community for just $99. Copy of our LinkedIn Growth Accelerator, otherwise known as Liga, systems to attract inbound leads. Yes, I'll be doing a weekly live coaching call with you and this membership base. And as far as extras are concerned, guys, if you need an ATS system, if you're interested in our Recruitemy LeadCast flagship product where it's going to help you automate your sales outreach so you don't have to make cold calls or knock on doors, you have that option. It will be extra, but we can review the pricing with you, as well as our LinkedIn writing and content program and Boost program. It's our LinkedIn co-op that you'll have the opportunity to be part of, where we write content for you every day, Monday through Friday, post it for you on your LinkedIn page, and then we boost it with our membership base, which essentially hacks the LinkedIn algorithm to make your post go more viral. It gives you clout, it gives you brand authority, and it really makes you appear as an expert within your niche on LinkedIn. And what this does ultimately, it results in qualified inbound leads from targeted hiring managers who are raising their hand, asking you for more information and want to work with you. And we're also going to give you a library full of objection handling in the form of videos, what you can expect from hiring managers and from candidates, either through email or in a phone call with them, and how you can handle these objections. All right, guys, and as bonuses, we do have a program where we can help you start your recruiting business, get your entity set up, and we can get everything spearheaded for you for free, essentially. However, you do pay the state cost, but we can do all the dirty work for you. And we also offer custom-built recruiting websites at 50% off should you join our community here. And your price would only be $450 to get a really nice professional website built that speaks to your recruiting niche. And here's a quick preview of what the school training site will look like. You have a community board right here. A lot of our members collaborate here. We post a lot of updates. This is a real-time breathing community board. A lot of people in our community, over 1,500 people in the past year, I find are working together, sometimes doing split deals, so it's a really good opportunity for that. And then moving along, this is our classroom section. So everything I just discussed is right here for you. So if you click on any one of these modules, here's the direct mail bomb system. It'll give you the templates, it'll give you the downloads, and you can start following and implementing these strategies ASAP. LinkedIn templates, sales outreach scripts, client agreements, the Liga and Pexar method for LinkedIn, objection handling, as I mentioned. We even have recruiter and sales job descriptions if you want to scale your recruiting company and start adding employees. And here's our niche workshop that I was referencing as well. And many more modules in here for you guys to access and learn from. All right, guys, so what are you waiting for? Right now, we've got 13 members that are pending acceptance. I need to go in here and accept all of them. So this is gonna close up fast. Again, the first 100 people that join this training community will receive the locked-in lifetime membership of $99 a month. After 100 members, this is going to increase to $197 a month. So go ahead and save your $98 a month right now. Join the community, get instant access to all of those things I just talked about in the classroom section, coaching as well. This is a phenomenal way to kickstart your recruiting business, especially if you're on a limited budget right now, and just try to get that first placement so you can repurpose your profits and maybe even join our larger program where we can help you get your recruiting business to a consistent level of 5 figures per month, every month going forward. Click the link below, join now. I look forward to seeing you on the other side.